हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप लोग? टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस moral science class 8. This is day 3. In day 1, day 2 already I have discussed regarding moral science. Okay, this is your book. Okay, chapter 1. I think you can see it. Moral science. Old is gold. You are doing old is gold. Okay. Already I have discussed chapter from here to here. Okay, I think you can see it here to here. Already you have discussed it. Okay, and now we'll discuss next part. Okay, what is this which type of things is given in this lesson? Please see it. We know very well old is good. Okay, this type of old is mentioned here in this lesson. Means what? Old is gold. Old means what? In last video, in last two video, in day 2 already I have discussed. Okay, already I have discussed our old technology. In ancient time, there was our technology was not developed. Okay, our roads transport was not developed. Our techniques was not developed. So people were facing lots of problems. Because and our hospitals are not developed. People we are facing lots of problems. Also cities and village area, but today we are very lucky because we have good facilities of hospitals, we have good technologies, each and everything we have. But in ancient time there was no any good facilities. Okay, in this lesson old is gold. This is class 8. This is for class 8 chapter 1. You will understand about old things. Okay, old is gold. Why old is gold is told here in this video? You will know about it. Which type of old is told in this video? You will understand it. Okay, so try to see the video, then you can understand it. Please see it. Hello class 8 student, how are you? Today I am going to discuss a magic relation of for life. This is Sophie Lodman. This is the book of moral science. Okay, class 8. Okay, I am going to discuss chapter 1. Already I have made 2 videos regarding this chapter, and today you are going to know. Already I have discussed from here to here, and today you will know about from here from last para. Okay, association with old age is also the formation. Please see it. Formation. Already I have discussed in ancient time our technology was not developed, but today we are very lucky because our technology has already developed. In last video I already have discussed regarding this matter, and in this video you will know about which type of technology developed in cities, and what is the difference between cities and what is the difference between remote village. Okay, in this video you will know about it. Please see the videos. Okay, please see it. Cataract and glaucoma, which cause a major hindrance to the elderly in their activities of daily living and result in their greater dependence on the young people at home for simple chores. It means what? In cataract and glaucoma, in especially village area, there are no facilities available, and young people don't see the old people due to glaucoma and cataract. Due to glaucoma and cataract turns into blind. Okay, this is the common diseases of eyes. Okay, it turns to blind. Okay, due to negligence. Okay, greater depends on the younger people at home for every simple course. It means what? Our grandparents depend on younger because they are unable to walk on his foot properly. Okay, and they are dependent on the younger ones. What do young people? They don't care to grandparents. Okay, in the remote village of India, many of them turns blind. In the remote village, at first you will have to know about what is glaucoma, cataract. Cataract is the disease of eyes. Okay, and glaucoma means what? Glaucoma means also disease of eyes. It turns to blind. Okay, in the remote village, remote means what? Remote means distant village of India. Many of them turn blind. Sometimes these elderly grandparents are abandoned. Abandoned means what? Abdicated by their families, who are unable to look after them due to lack of money and acute poverty. Okay, acute poverty. It means what? Younger people don't see their younger people don't see their grandparents. That's why they are bound to leave the house, and they are bound to live in another place. Okay, because they don't take care of young their old people. Okay, there are old age home that look after the poor. It means what? They are bound to go to old age home that look after the poor, old and feeble people. Many rich people are there in our country. They don't see their father and mother. That's why they go to old age home. Okay, for surviving on they go old age home. Okay, that look after the poor, and what they do, they look after old and feeble people. Okay, old and feeble people. Clear? In this video I have discussed from here to here. Next video you will know about next.